Alrighty, how's it going? We are back with another video of Pimp My Ride. Today, we're going to be installing a power window motor in my Mustang because it went out recently. We're going to pull the door panel off here real quick and get this thing replaced. Alright, so, to take these door panels off, you just got a Phillips head screw. 2 bolts here, mine are 10 millimeters. Yours might differ. There is one screw hiding back here, but doesn't look like mine's got one. And then just several body clips. You pry out of there with a little clip tool. You can pop this thing right off. Now we can pop the door panel off. We can really see what we got to do. So the window motor is back here. We're going to take the motor off, make sure that the regulator seems operational, make sure everything looks hooked up. And yeah, we got to pull this speaker out so I can fish the motor out once I get it disconnected here. But yeah, should be good to go. Well, found my problem. Made in China. Nice. Yeah, let's hope this next one is a little better, but hey, we got it. Oh, nice. Now that it's past the, send her across the parking lot trick. Oh, all right. Korean. Let's go. This one's got a metal case. This one's got a plastic case. This one feels a little lighter. This one's got a little more beef in it. 5 Newton meters. Make sure to torque that down. Oh boy. Okay, so we've got some live action for you folks. So after I cut this zip tie, I caught this thing because it was heading straight to the floor. And yeah, we got some broken wires here, folks. All right, so now we got a clear shot at her. As you can see, we've got a total wipeout. Yep, must have got caught up down here or something, so I might try and just reroute it to the front of the speaker and just run it under the speaker or something. I don't know, but this connector is shot. These guys, this motor, man, the Korean team, holding it down. We've got 2 new pigtails here if we needed to. The wires, the colors don't really matter. I'm definitely gonna use the yellow and red just because that's what's on my car. But now we've got an extra one. So shout out Dorman Products coming out of Korea. Also, while I'm in here, I'm gonna take the time and re-grease these channels in the regulator. It moves up and down pretty freely, but I'm gonna give it a once over. Do the front channel too. Well, that took a little longer than expected, but I had to figure out how to route this thing to where, that stuff doesn't happen again. So I think I'm just gonna leave that there. I think it's fairly clear, the regulator and stuff. I think I can actually zip tie it down here just to really keep it out of the way. But yeah, that was the problem. I'm pretty sure these gears were catching these wires as they were coming down back there, and it just kept cutting them. So it should be a good fix. Let's get it going. All right, so got the old extendo zip tie going on. Just hook 2 together. Now it is tucked way over here, way over there, behind the motor, totally clear of the regulator and all its moving parts. Hopefully this doesn't rattle too much. If not, you can probably put a piece of cloth or something on there to prevent that. But yeah, Just gonna test its operation here. Or wait, where's my keys? Oh, got my keys. Let's see. Oh boy, this thing's moving. Oh yeah, crispy, crunchy, exactly how we like it. But this thing's moving so much better. Oh boy. I should. Oh yeah, see it's jammed up right there. Okay, so we gotta do some aligning because it doesn't want to go all the way up. We'll check that out. So we're gonna need to loosen this bolt, this nut up here, as well as this rear alignment little pad right there. And so we gotta loosen those, and then we will raise, or I guess lower the window down here and loosen this nut right here for the window alignment bushings. And then we'll stuff it back up into place and then retighten things down. So once you've got those loose, you basically just press this up against the glass, not too much pressure, tighten that one down, and then you come over here. I believe you tighten this one down. Then I just got this one snug and this one snug, and then came back under here and tighten that bad boy. And we got the key on, and this is moving. Doing good. Perfect. So yeah, we'll just get back to work throwing this back together and we're in business. All right, another problem that probably explains why we've had multiple window motors go out in the past 5 years. I mean, they can be cheap motors, but nonetheless, my speaker is actually so thick that it has been pushing on the regulator quite a bit. Like when I go to tighten it down, it changes it, and you know, it does affect it quite a bit when I move this. And so basically I took the speaker out and the window goes up and down fine. I put the speaker back in, try and tighten it down. I can obviously feel it's pushing it, and just the amount that it's moving, it won't allow the window to align. So I'm gonna just leave it out for now until I can get a thinner speaker, but hey, maybe get to upgrade a little bit. So we got some good news. The speakers in the doors of the Honda, of my Honda, they're thinner and they're kickers. So let's take a look. So these little kickers are gonna be going in the Mustang. Took these out of the Honda. They've got some age on her. They've been in there forever, but they're gonna work just fine. Oh, taking off?
Gonna get my nails done.
Okay.
So
Bye. Okay, bye. So we're testing two things here. Gotta make sure the window goes up and down good. Come on, baby. Bam. We're moving. Okay, we're good there. Now we just gotta turn some tunes on. What do we got? I think we got a CD in here from Matt Lynch. Oh yeah. So now that we got the speaker working and the window is going up and down just fine, we're gonna throw this door panel back on there real quick and we'll be done. Alrighty, well that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. We found some problems. We were able to correct some other things that we didn't even know were gonna happen. We got that kicker speaker installed. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you do like the video. There's gonna be tons more coming. And as always, stay ripping.